Korupsyon ang sakit, katotohanan ng gamot. Ngunit takot na inumin ang karamihan ng sagot sa problemang sumisira upang ating maabot ang maayos na sistemang kay tagal pinagdamot. Matatawag ba na serbisyo publiko kung tanging bulsa nyo lamang ang pinagsisilbihan nyo? Hanggat sarili inuuna, bayan ng palaging talo. Nilulunok katotohanan pero sinasakal ang tao.
Alalahanin palagi sa dilim ng hirap at lungkot.
Ilang pa ba ang biktima ng ganitong klase ng sistema? Kahit kapwa kababayan mo ay nagagawang manira upang makuha lamang ang inaasang kapangyarihan na ang tanging alam ay manlamang. Ito ba talaga ang aral ng agam? Manlamang mangurakot sa sariling bayan mo, ikay manakot. Hanggang saan ito aabot? May pag-asa pa bang natitira? Pilipinas kamusta? Pilipinas kamusta?
Alalahanin palagi sa dilim ng hirap at lungkot.
Wala na bang bago? Lakas yung mga ako, puro toxic at niloloko nyo ang mga tao. Gahamang baka mo, shit mas malala to. Lalo na kapag nakita nyo mga pera sa bangko. Pera sa bangko, paulit-ulit lang. Sila ang may kasalanan sa ating binibintang. Tayo nililin lang itong mga hibang at pera ng ating bayan ay sinasamsam.
Alalahanin palagi sa dilim ng hirap at lungkot. Kahit ano ang mangyari, ilaw ng pag-ibig ang sagot.
Nakadilat ka na ba? Pero bakit madilim pa rin? Saan ka na papapunta? Di ba di mo rin kayang sagutin kung paano magawang lagutin yung kahiraman na siyang pumaling kung yung tanging nagdidikta ay pulos palulot sa kinsus. Mga epekto sa gasgas nila na modus dus, obvious na obvious, focus, focus Kus, di siya nakala mo ay all goods. Bullshit and puro wrong moves. At tad ng mga kalyo kakareglo dahil sa hirap ng sistema ay palaging bakbakan. Tapos yung nuluklok mo naubos lang yung termino sa walang katorya-torya na balitaktakan.
Don't ever try to steal this dream in my heart. You'll never ever kill my hope from the start. We'll never be sold. We're better than gold.
My dreams in body bags, I don't smile now. Bumping round in the dark, in the shadows alone. Emotional brutality done by a bad man. It's the same story happening in far lands. From the dark place, tears of sorrow burning up my cheeks, screaming out for a brighter tomorrow. From the despair, I'm acting like I don't care. Deep wounds on the inside that no surgeon can repair. Broken in two, the pain is blurring up my vision. Chased by these demons running right here in my prison. Save me, I pray, from another deadly episode. Say it from the roof and let the truth grenade explode.
Don't ever try to steal this dream in my heart. You'll never ever kill my hope from the start. We'll never be sold. We're better than gold.
I don't sugarcoat it, know the truth tastes better. It's a heavy dose for all the saints and sinners. Knocking on heaven's door, praying for the right light. Asking for the strength and the courage, cause there's a tight fight. Destructions, destructions, get out of slave mentality. Dysfunction, no senses, wake up to fake reality. Limited wisdom from the serpent and the apple tree. Send me an angel, set me free, let it be. We are the glitch in the code, not to be sold, but better than gold. Love and control, whoa. It's the power we hold, destiny road, watch it unfold. Now it's been
Don't ever try to steal this dream in my heart. You'll never ever kill my hope from the start. We'll never be sold. We're better than gold. Don't ever try to steal this dream in my heart. You will never ever kill my hope from the start. We'll never be sold. We're better